now we're going to take a look at Bagua switch number 2, the snake switch. So let's take a look at the switch at full speed as we go through one side, the counterclockwise direction, and right into the clockwise direction on the other side, finishing back to a counterclockwise movement. Okay, so we're going to slow it down a little bit and take a look at each of the switches. So from here we go into Snatch the Snake, palm block, twisting into hide flowers beneath the leaves while Goose leaves the flock, and finishing with the swoosh to come back out. And on this side, Snatch the Snake, hooking with the right, going to the palm block with the right, turning into hide flowers beneath the leaves, into Wild Goose leaves the flock, swinging the hands down and around into the swoosh. Okay, so now let's take a look at each of the postures in a little bit more detail. So we're going to start with Snatch the Snake. I'm going to start with the outer foot in front, in this case the right, hooking with the left hand, making that left elbow point in the direction of the knee. On the other side, we're going to stop with the left foot in front, hooking with the right, and zooming in, getting a little bit closer so you can get a better view of it. Just watch that left elbow drop in line with the knee as you hook with that hand. Same thing on this side. And again, a big zoom in. Snatch the Snake. Good. So we're going to continue into the palm block, where we're going to continue to swing that hooking hand down and around, then coming around into the palm block. Down and around with the right, palm block. Again, getting in closer, hook comes around, the arm comes up and blocks. Now we go right into hide flowers beneath the leaves. We're going to swing that opposite hand under as you twist in the direction of the blocking hand. So we're just bringing that hand under like you're going to give yourself a hug. And that's going to set up, go into our next posture. Just kind of zooming in here. Even more. And that posture just flows right into Wild Goose leaves the flock, where that bottom hand becomes the top hand, rising up and setting up to finally switch both the hands and the direction of your step. Bringing it up, opening and setting. Bring that left hand up, opening and setting. Again, right hand coming up, opening and setting, and left hand. All right, and to complete the walk, we add the swoosh in. We're going to step with the outside leg, swinging the hands downward, and then step with the inside leg, bringing the hands over the head. And again, just returning to the same position that you were in. In this case, you got the left hand up as we come back with the left hand and left foot. And then on the other side, zooming in, we're going to bring that right hand up as that right foot steps. And again, zooming in on the other side. Once we finish the swoosh, we go right back into walking the circle, prepping for the next switch. And that's it for switch number 2. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you were able to learn something, and I hope you enjoyed it.